I don't know Tamil represent for King Mix Up, you know, so check out the dog YouTube page or the body thing or the money thing. I'm saying Nana guys and the whole family. Boof buff now.
Boom, viewers, subscribers, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible. I keep on telling you that, but you don't know the things that people bless upon yourself and a day, you know, but you know my style already, one bag of one, the one I got to give you the daily updates on the people you see and you don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing, because you know, say, the whole world is congratulating Spice. And as you can see, she's teasing a third pregnancy. As you can see, Queen Nicki Minaj is congratulating her, as well as Jada Kingdom and things. But you don't know the things that we have to take everything into consideration. So yeah, let's start. Because the people that me saying is fake, this, that, and the third, while some people are congratulating her. Okay, people, we're here to talk about the tea that is bubbling on social media. As you can see, Spice pregnant. But that's what the people are saying, at least some of them. You see me, I'm saying we're here to talk about all of that, as well as me giving an opinion on the situation, because you know we talked about it briefly yesterday on the Credible Boss channel. You see me, I said, but Spice posted up today saying God has been so good to me. So based off of the colors, I'm assuming it's a boy. You see me, I said. But as you know, she posted up some things in her story yesterday, and based off of the website, it said, like, you know, these are some girls' charms. But you don't know the things that gold can go for any, you know, child, boy or girl, you see me, I said. Well, like I said, most people is congratulating her, but most people is speculating whether this pregnancy is a publicity stunt or not, given who we're dealing with, because they are saying Spice is the queen of pranks. As you can see in the comment section, they said, no, she's not. She's the queen of marketing. You see me, I said, and this other person said Spice is the master of the pranks. You know what I mean? I don't care if I should take this seriously, but regardless, I'm going to congratulate my fellow Leo sister. And somebody said Bundle of Joy may be her new name of her album. You see me, I said, regardless, congratulations, because you know Spice, whenever she drops a major project, she always shake up the internet. As you can see, you know, she did the bleaching thing and thing at one time. You see me, I said, so when people is seeing the belly, they are questioning if this true, because you know this person said, didn't she just go get surgery and now she's pregnant? Let's see if it's real. LOL. And this person responds, see, I've been saying this, these women have this surgery and I'm convinced that the doctor tells them to have a baby for the weight because it's happening too often. And this person said something ain't right. They said she had a BBL surgery 5 months ago, but she's very pregnant. Glad the rumors was false. Congratulations, Spice. And this person said that she said it was a hernia surgery. And this person said, see, why you shouldn't listen to rumors. Yeah, I didn't put her in a coma just a few months ago, and when all of it really was morning sickness. Congratulations, Spice. And before I give my opinion, you know the people that are speculating, well, who is the baby daddy? You see me, I say, as you know, the last man we seen with Spice and her family, her children, was the Rasta. You see me, I say, and they're saying Spice ain't no hoe and bound to get pregnant for a next hombre just like that. Because you know them said that them split up and all of these things. You know what I mean? But like I've been saying, people, if we don't want to know if this is true or not, you're going to have to see her at her next performance. You know, she hasn't performed in like 6 months, you see me, so that's when we're going to get our answer. You know what I mean? Maybe it's an album she's working on, because, you know, she's been MIA for a minute. And, you know, this is what singers do when they have off time and make music, you know what I mean? But I think her next appearance is, I think, April 8th or something. I could be wrong, you feel me? Put in the comment section what do you think about that. You know what I mean? But I'm not going to stay up on this topic no longer. Put in the comment section, do you think she's pregnant or not? And let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, Bounty Killer fans is defending Bounty Killer against Dr. Love and Mr. Vegas because he is coming under fire for allegedly wearing fake Louis Vuitton. You see me, I say, as you know, yesterday, Dr. Love was giving Bounty Killer the business because you know, said Dr. Love said himself fake stuff. And him said the outfit that Bounty Killer has been wearing, what they come from Amazon. But as you can see, they send us an effort, Dr. Love and Vegas a talk about fake Louis. And they sent me, you know, exactly what Bounty Killer is wearing. You see me, I said, so let's take a look. So it looked like Bounty Killer have an outfit that costs over $2,000. You see me, I said, this is the Louis Vuitton parsley monogram blended fabrics street style. The dye, you see me, I say, 1,100 odd US dollars. And you can see the swimwear shorts is almost $1,400 US dollars. Cause you know a BRT weekend him did that. You see me, I say. So, you know, them fans, them, they want me to put the word out, because, you know, we did send out the video and it go viral, your site. So let's take a listen to a little bit what Dr. Love was saying, and then we'll proceed.
Outfit a Bounty, remember saying, you know, me sell knockoff bag, you know. Me sell knockoff Gucci bag and knockoff LVL, me sell knockoff, what they name? Knockoff me sell, but my knockoff them look better. No, turn this around. Look, I ain't lying. Look, see it there for yourself. Pan Amazon, they say, kill out the white one. Look, you see? You have the blue and white. This, look at the one, 34.95 feet. At this killer come on stage. Big old celebrity artists like killer. And we are knockoff LVL. See, you can't get them online. I ain't lying. I swear to God, I'm not lying. I want this killer van, but I'm not the exact one. Wait. One of this killer van, no wait. See there? One of this Bounty Killer van, something like this. I cannot believe it's a killer really compensating a knockoff outfit I perform. $34.99 to backside killer pair feet. Alright, see that? You can't get all the whole set. Look, I don't think I lie me at there. See that? No kidding. See that? $29.95. You don't know I'm not lying. See that? Big old artists like Killer to Radigo. Alright. I'm not sure now what Killer them. Oh, Killer them are run their music so hard. Look. See, they're all different kind. Chinese NSC, wait. Hold on there. Stainless steel chain. This ain't no real nothing. This is stainless steel. Look at Killer. Killer all no people, man. We have a just speed that speed. Killer is all. You understand? Killer all bad. Look at Killer.
Yeah, and you can go watch that over on my Credible Boss channel for the longer version. You see me, I say. Yeah, so let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, Foota Hype is blaming Andrew Holtness for the escapade that got on today. You see me, I say, as you know, firefighter Sergeant Leo Bennett, who, you know, took his one-man protest to a top the halfway tree transport center in St. Andrew this morning, says he has a list of demands that needed urgent attention. But as you can see, him come down. You see me, I say, Jano. Era, listen to what Foota Hype had to say, because he might blame Bro God for all of the strikes and all of these things that are going on since JLP coming in the office. You see me, I say, but you saying Bout and things. So let's take a listen and then we'll proceed.
Here what going on. From a day, some people in my DM, right? And them tend to have a problem with when I say certain things. And them now realize, say, I am not just speaking because my teeth hurt me and I like talk. I talk because I see farther than uno. I see the problem before the problem come. Now, couple days ago, only hear me talk about teacher get strike. Teacher strike because them not get treated properly. That is a day and a half ago, you know. Now today, fireman a strike. Voila, me I try to understand. Rick stand by some badges, big up on yourself. Me I ask you something. Unna see nothing wrong with that. This is the first government in the history of government where me ever see so much strike go on. Something wrong. And some people like got DM me about, oh, me still a vote Labour, right? Me in a business very. Only is dunce. Only is lunatic. Only is some look a shit bag. Anybody we get up and steal blindly and run with labor right because of labor right. And as he said, Andrew is destructive to everybody, not just labor right and not just PNP. Yesterday, me never hear immigration worker strike yet in my life. From a born out of my mother vagina, me never hear immigration officer strike yet. Never. I want to still, instead of Andrew address them problem, you know, Andrew is going to karaoke last night and singing. Me see the man at karaoke. I sing Romeo and Virgo song. Romeo and Virgo and Sasko. No, people, make a reason. Hot Topic, you buy some badges, big up Hot Topic Media. Uno ever hear immigration officer strike yet in our history from no ban? No. Me I wonder if me wanna see them something. Cause usually when me talk the things then people don't realize what me I say until it happen, you know. Cause someone can't see far, you know. Curvy things, big up yourself. What caused immigration officer to strike? This new to me, you know. Me never see this yet, you know. Listen to me. The labor right, they must say them a dieted labor right. Since you don't got sense, no sense, I got put up on like a game, right? If you insist to vote for Labour, right? Well, insist that Andrew step down and give the leadership to Babsy Granger or somewhere else, or somebody else, and still vote Labour. But you cannot vote for this man again, because you don't understand Calvin. You can big up yourself. Because you don't understand so the pressure come down on the whole away. What he's doing is not only affecting PNP, it's affecting Labour right as well. You not get it. You not get through the thick skull when Andrew do fuckery now and a PNP to affect. You not say you not Labour right and me a die out of Labour like say. It not affect you no. It affect you no. Where the man I do fuck up the whole country. Remember, I'm telling you, say, I'm going to be the worst prime minister already. I'm telling you, you know. Remember, I don't hate him as a person, you know. Come in and know him. But, as a prime minister, road boy, low in a man, resign and cut, no, brother. Give Babsy Grange a run, no, dog. Make Babsy Grange feel, make me see. Andrew will prove, say, you're not good. None at all. None at all, brother. Step aside and get your next Labour right. Since you don't want to give PNP, bro, it's not a problem. Come in and fight for that. PNP fi earn them victory. But, brother, my youth, Andrew, no, brother. Immigration officer strike. Then this man in fireman, so 3 in a row now. Teacher, immigration officer, fireman, 3 days, one after the other. Then that means say you feel upon all levels. Yeah, jet lag upon all cylinders. And a one department you're feeling in the youth. How with the blood? No, man. No, man. Look what them do to Usain Bolt. Year under year watching. What your Minister of Finance do? What all that work? Javinci, big up yourself. I hear you get the big eagle in a rascal garden. I hear you say the big eagle are working. Alright. Javinci, I cheer down now because it's not everything I talk. It's like I come to a bum and I in a barber shop and I say to lock it, You know, say Javinci deserve to have him visa star. Right now that I tell him at you know. And that run if you buy the big house and the something them, you know. See him, so I say to lock it, you know. That I mean, no, say you get the eagle yet, you know. And I bought the next day, you know. Me see you put up, say, America bookings, me I say, blood, clear, lock it. As he say, the ancestors, them are work through me different. Come like me feel the vibe, you know. Anyway, you know what? Cut it current. Big up Ja Vinci. You know, I know every day I'm joining my life, so when I see him, I have to give him respect. Kingston 8 youth. Listen what I say now. You see, being a labourite is okay. Or being a PNP is okay. See? You have your side when election campaign are going. So you have an option of choosing and voting for your preference. This is how we want people to understand now. You see, after the ballots are brought in and all the votes are counted and they have chosen via your votes a winner, there is no longer two parties. When the new prime minister is elected or the existing prime minister is given a second or third term, there is no longer two party. When the prime minister is reinstated or a new one is instated, it means now that every side, whether you're Labourite, PNP, NDM, Democratic group, no matter which party you're in or vote for, you are now under one ruling. So I want to understand what I say. You know, matter if you're a Labourite or you're a PNP, now, you know, Andrew Holness, our prime minister, whether you're a Labourite or PNP, no matter. When Andrew Holness raised the price of something, it's not only subjected to PNP who didn't vote for him, or it's not only subjected to Labourite who vote for him. It's subjected to both Labourite and PNP. So we all suffer. Fuck, how much more if I break it down to you? So yes, people voted for Andrew because they wanted a change. Them say, yes, we had a PNP ruling too long, we want somebody new, we're going to go out with Andrew. Andrew, sure we say, him no good, none at all. Andrew is one of the best marketing prime ministers in the world. Andrew always knows how to rock a crowd. Andrew is like a good performer. Andrew know if he draw for the clocks, him know if he go for peanut dread when it's sticky, him know if he give the old people them some little bag with 1.5 pound of rice and 2 tin a butter bean or there. Him know how to come now and they karaoke last night and sing to try play off the facts. A couple days ago, the teacher them a strike. And then the day after that.
And you can watch the longer video on my Dancehall Story YouTube channel, people. Now go longer this review no longer. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.